Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I'm so excited I get to guest design for Pink & Main using their February 2020 Crafty Courtyard kit. The theme is Enchanted Garden, and this is a beautiful floral card kit. There's an information card that lists everything that's included. It has the color palette so you know what colors to use that'll coordinate with everything. Let me go ahead and show you what's included in the kit, and I'll start with the cardstock. There are 6 sheets of cardstock, including one specialty mirror paper in this beautiful purple color. There's a yellow, 2 different shades of green. There's pre-embossed pink, and then also this teal color with little polka dots on there. And then there are 2 sheets of 110-pound ice rink cardstock. The kit does include a full 6x6 paper pad, so there's 24 sheets of double-sided papers, and you'll have 2 of each design. I love the colors in this paper pad, very vibrant, and they have beautiful patterns. So there's some florals, there's some plaids, lots of polka dots. And look at these gorgeous patterns. Pink & Main always makes really fun paper collections. And then we just go back to that second set of the designs. So next up is the stamp set. This is an exclusive stamp set. Pink & Main does not sell the kit stamp sets individually. I love all of these beautiful sentiments, and it has different pieces. You can assemble some floral designs, and then it also has those couple of border stamps. The kit does include a stencil this month in this really pretty lattice looking style. And then there's a set of dies. These are really fun. 2 different styles of tags, one with the scalloped edge, and then there's even a little sentiment banner on there. There is a sheet of chipboard stickers. I really like how the chipboard stickers match with that stamp set. So it gives you an idea how you can put some of those stamps together. There are 5 different ribbons, 1 yard of each design. There's a sheet of enamel shapes in different sizes and different colors, all matches beautifully with the kit. There's an exclusive sequin mix in this beautiful floral design, all in colors that coordinate with the paper collection. There is one of the collectible flare buttons that says "Hello Friend." And then there are 4 A2 size white envelopes. And then every Pink & Main kit includes the 8.5 by 11 mesh project bag. These are really nice. They're very sturdy. You can just put all of your products back in that bag until you're ready to use them or save them for another time. And then I did want to share one other item. This is not included in the kit, but this is Pink & Main's brand new Ergonomic blender brush, and it is amazing. I got to try it out at Creativation recently, and this is different than any other blending brush out there. It's super easy to use, and I love how it has this little stand that you just push it in there and let it click so it's not going to fall out. I'm really excited to start using that on my projects. So now here's just a quick recap of Pink & Main's February 2020 Crafty Courtyard subscription box. I have provided links in the description box if you are interested in subscribing to their kits or purchasing their Ergonomic blender brush. Pink & Main does require a 3-month commitment for subscribing, but they also sell some of their past kits individually, and I'll provide a link for that as well. Coming soon, I'll be sharing my video using this beautiful kit, so stay tuned to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.